Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into SPY to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Now, we're here to give you an even more comprehensive overview. To stay updated on our latest analysis, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a strong buy candidate with a score of 3.95. Now let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. SPY has experienced a significant gain of 7.76%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.28% since it was categorized as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is positioned within a wide and weak rising trend, indicating a potential further increase in value. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a suggestion of a 6.3% change over the next 3 months. The potential return falls within a range of -2.75% to 9.53%. Examining the 12-month trend, it points towards a 15.43% change over the next year. The potential return falls within a range of 4.13% to 19.88%. This implies a possible price range of $483.25 to $556.37 after 1 year. Our latest update for SPY reveals that the SPY ETF price increased by 0.457% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, Tuesday, December 12, 2023, the SPY ETF price rose from $461.99 to $464.10, marking a gain of 0.457%. This positive trend has continued for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if this upward momentum persists or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the previous trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $460.60 and a high of $464.20, experiencing a 0.782% variation. In the last 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 2.02% increase over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 67 million shares traded, accounting for approximately $31.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $464.20, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.02% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $0.1000. Furthermore, it is 3.31% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $479.98. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for the SPY ETF. The SPY ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support from the lines at $458.92 and $443.41. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 13.01% increase so far. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. In the long-term chart, the SPY ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a special combination. It is a rare occurrence and often indicates long and strong gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots are showing a buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is signaling a sell 6 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average is showing a buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. When it comes to support levels, SPY has some interesting ones. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $429.54 and $426.43. It's important to note that there's a natural risk involved when an ETF tests a support level. If it breaks through, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the current support at $429.54 is broken, the next support levels would be at $426.43 and $412.55. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with SPY. This ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. In fact, during the last day, the ETF moved $3.60 between its high and low, which is only 0.782%. Looking at the past week, the daily average volatility has been around 0.741%. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for SPY. When looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it might be a good idea to enter a position and keep an eye on the volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the other hand, if we consider the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a potential rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss at $447.86, representing a decrease of 3.5%. This particular ETF exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 31 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, which indicate that there may be a buying opportunity for SPY ETF. However, it is important to note that our systems have identified the current price as overvalued after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, December 13th, we anticipate that SPY ETF will open with a decrease of -$1.13 and begin trading at $462.97. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for the ETF? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.